In this video, let me show you how to use Temu Safe Payment with Apple Pay or Google Pay. Now, if you're trying to use the Safe Payment feature inside of Temu, what you'll first need to do is ensure that your credit card or debit card is actively linked as well as verified inside of your phone's native wallet. So if you're on an Android device, make sure that the Google Wallet is verified. If you're using an iOS device, make sure that the Apple Wallet is verified. Once you've verified that, you just need to head over to the checkout section. Once you're inside of checkout section, you'll be able to see the option called Google Pay or Apple Pay depending upon your device. So you can simply tap on one of these options and then place your order. Your phone's official system will tray the instant pop-up from the bottom of the screen. So you can just confirm by using your biometrics. Once the scan is complete, your transaction will be safely finished as well. So this is the exact process that you'll need to follow in order to use Temu Safe Payment using Apple Pay or Google Pay. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.